The COVID-19 pandemic has a huge global impact across various sectors, including higher education. In response to the pandemic, educators had to shift their course from face-to-face delivery to remote delivery, and with little notice for both students and instructors. To gain insight into students' experiences during the shift and how to best support their learning during the pandemic, we had students complete a guided reflection every 2 weeks, beginning of when courses started being delivered remotely. Our investigation focused on students enrolled in 2 different mid-level psychology courses at a primarily undergraduate institution in New York State. The data were collected from 28 students in one course and 25 students in another course over a span of 8 weeks. Both courses were taught by the same instructor. Students completed 4 bi-weekly reflections about how they were experiencing the course. We extracted common themes from the students' response to each of these questions and will be sharing some of the highlights in the video. For more detail about the study details and the findings, please see the published paper here. Our findings show that active learning techniques help to keep students engaged in the course. This was apparent in students' response across all 4 students' bi-weekly reflections, and was linked to responses where students mentioned being actively engaged with the course material by participating in class discussion and other activities. We also found that one of the biggest factors that made students feel distant from the course was personal circumstances that were both unique to the individual and also hindered the student's ability to engage with the course. For example, noisy interruptions at home or if extra household responsibilities hindered the student's ability to engage with the course. Fortunately, our findings show that instructors were able to have a positive impact on students' learning. Specifically, students mentioned that they found learning resources provided by the instructor, additional readings, relevant websites, videos, and other online material to be both helpful and affirming with respect to the course. Students also mentioned that organized asynchronous instruction, including pre-recorded lectures and access to lecture slides and online material, was helpful. Overall, the results of our studies reveal that the decisions and actions of instructors can have a positive and meaningful impact of students' learning experiences, even when conditions are uncertain and unstable, and there's the added stress of learning and living in the pandemic.